Hey, it's Eric here, and today I wanted to show you a command called add selected. Add selected is a command which will not only match the entities, layer, and color and all that, but it will match and draw as an example of what was selected. If I wanted to draw a dimension line here on the side, I could type in add selected, click on the dimension, and immediately I'm in the dimension command ready to put my points in. So in a way it's kind of like drawing by example. I don't know if you heard that terminology before, but that's kind of what it's doing. Same thing goes with the hatch. So if I do an add selected, I can select the hatch and immediately I'm in that command and I can come over here and put my hatch in. So a real quick way to match and draw at the same time. Here's another example. So if we type in add selected, we can actually click on this block. This block is called door. So we just press enter and then immediately we're prompted to insert the door. And if you wanted to, you could also create an alias shortcut for that command because it is kind of a long command, add selected. To do that, we can just type in alias edit. And after typing that in, you'll find here all the shortcut aliases. Also a great way to learn shortcuts. So here we can just say new. And the alias here, let's just call this alias SS. And then come over here. We can choose add selected here, and then we choose assign. Then we close. Now when we type in the SS command, it's automatically detected that that is add selected. So a real quick way to draw by example just by typing in SS. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Feel free to leave comments in the video section below. Make sure you take advantage of my free 3-page PDF that has all the keyboard shortcuts mentioned in this video, plus a whole lot more, using the link below this video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.